fly. I know I'm super fly. The ladies love moves like I invented smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly. 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 I know I'm super.
Not even no chapstick. Not even no lotion. Oh, it started. Okay. I didn't know.
Back with another video. Back with another video. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Coming at you real quick with another video. We about to go out the door, but I wanted to share this video with you, my peoples. First of all, Nevaeh got some comb coils in her hair, but that's not what we were gonna do. But she's here, so let's do that. She got comb coils. Nevaeh, show them the back of it. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share my family's hairstyles. I don't know if they're all going to get locks one day. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. But right now, at this moment in time, everybody has locks in their hair. So I don't know how.
I guess this counts as locks.
It's like starter locks.
I didn't know this.
Yeah.
And then Makayla has.
She has test locks, sample locks, sister locks in her hair. Nevaeh, stop.
What? It has to be funny.
It doesn't have to
I gotta
be.
be.
Oh, there goes Giselle.
My beautiful souls. They got like thicker. It looks
Yeah,
like.
they did.
It got fuller. It's like
Oh, Giselle, wait, come on this side. So yeah, so basically everybody in the house right now has locks. So what the heck?
I slipped off the seat. Do you see the there? The rings. Sorry about the rings. I didn't. Oh, just my ring light. You know how it is. With the rings in your eyes. I didn't try to. Like, it just happens when you have a ring light. What was that?
I don't know.
Did it spill? Oh. No, there ain't nothing in there.
Okay, yeah. So I'm trying not to edit this part, so this all gonna be on there. Hope y'all know that.
It's okay. Good. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah. No, wait.
Oh. Oh.
So me and Jerome have to get our hair done, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you are here, join the family, and we love you. And you want to show your hair? Why you here? Yeah. Because on the video that you're about to see is when she got her installation. So now it's been what, a week now?
No, it's not.
It's a week since we started.
It's not also even been a week. It's not even been a week.
Tomorrow will be a week.
Well, that feels good.
Tomorrow makes 1 week since Giselle had her sister.
Really, it hurts for me.
1 week. You had
for
1 week.
Oh, mom.
So you gotta do an update, girl. Your channel dry over there.
I only got 2 videos. What's happening?
Right. What you gonna do with your?
In about 4 days.
Supposed to do some lives? What?
I'm supposed to do a live today.
Man,
right.
Live, Friday night live, so we can finish our vision boards.
What time?
7 p.m. Central.
Got some oranges. Oh, y'all team the girl pearly also, back this there. Is the first time that my mom did my hair since I cut off my hair. So
Sister Big Chop. This is her first time.
We're not calling it that because my hair was only to here. No, it was to my shoulders.
That was a big chop. You cut all your hair off, Nevaeh.
This is dry right there. Hold on, it's flaky and stuff. By that gel. Can you not? They had to do a little quick.
Makayla, you want to say hi?
What? Makayla said no. Let's just go.
Okay.
Bye.
Just write it out like a prescription drug. You've been fussing how we never touch, but who can bother with this kind of fussing when we've been walking this grind? Frustrated, outdated, what's on your mind? Drove for this time, all on the line. Try trading me places, what would you find? When we've been walking this grind, frustrated, outdated, what's on your mind? So what you're saying is it's not enough. on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame hit mode.